Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to extend the end time for all listings on your site. Why is this important? Well, if there are any technical issues or downtime, extending the end time ensures that your listings get the full exposure they deserve. As you can see, these auctions are about to close. But don't worry, we're going to extend the end time as an admin user to make sure they get the attention they need. First, head over to the admin control panel. From there, navigate to the Extend page, which you'll find under the Advanced section. To extend the end time for all listings, just enable the All Listings setting, enter the number of minutes, and hit Submit. Once you refresh the page, you'll see that the end times for all listings have been successfully extended. If you want to extend the time for a specific listing, make sure all listing settings are disabled. Then enter the listing ID and specify the number of minutes you'd like to add. As you can see, the end time has been extended by 40 minutes. And that's it. This is how you can easily extend the end time of your listings during any technical hiccups, ensuring they get the full visibility they deserve. Thank you for watching.